The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, has imposed a $3.7 billion penalty on Wells Fargo for its repeated violations of the law, with $2 billion of that amount designated for consumer compensation. The CFPB's enforcement action aims to hold Wells Fargo accountable and initiate long-term reforms. To help affected customers understand the landmark ruling, this article provides information on who is eligible for compensation and how to claim the money owed. The violations committed by Wells Fargo include the illegal assessment of fees and interest charges on auto and mortgage loans, misdirected loan payments, wrongful repossession of consumers' cars, unauthorized overdraft fees, and incorrect charges on checking and savings accounts. The bank has a history of similar misconduct, including mortgage kickbacks, mishandling student loans, creating fake accounts, and misusing auto loans. Wells Fargo's malpractices have affected a significant portion of the population, with 1 in 3 American households being customers of the bank. It is crucial for Wells Fargo account holders to be aware of the potential damage they may have suffered, the distribution of current payments, and the need for vigilance against future issues. More than 16 million accounts were impacted by illegal activities. For auto loan customers, incorrect application of loan payments resulted in higher interest charges, late fees, and wrongful repossessions. Over 11 million accounts were affected, and these customers are owed a total of $1.3 billion in compensation. Mortgage loan borrowers faced obstacles in making loan modifications, while wrongful reporting and overestimated attorney fees led to wrongful foreclosure actions. Around $200 million in compensation is owed to thousands of impacted customers. Additionally, over 5 million deposit accounts were subject to extra fees and unjustified freezes, with affected customers owed over $500 million. Wells Fargo is legally obligated to contact victims regarding compensation. If you believe you have been affected and have not received contact from the bank, you can reach out to Wells Fargo directly or submit a complaint to the CFPB. The bank has already started compensating victims, and no action is required on the victim's part to receive their share of the settlement proceeds. The CFPB advises caution against potential fraudsters who may try to exploit the situation. If someone contacts you claiming they can assist in obtaining compensation and asks for an electronic transfer, it is likely a scam. Victims should report such instances to the CFPB immediately. The compensation amount varies depending on the violation, with a minimum of $4,000 for those whose cars were wrongly repossessed. It is important for affected Wells Fargo customers to stay informed and take appropriate steps to claim their rightful compensation.